ensure you don't lose money. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for always coming back to watch the videos. We do appreciate. Thank you. So today, what we'll be doing, we are going to be trying out another kind of arbitrage. Well, not too different from what we've been doing, but in this case, it's purely spot trading. So in this particular kind of arbitrage, we're going to be buying and holding for a short while and then selling back to get profit. All right. So today, we're going to be and come over to this place where it says new listings. Okay, you can refresh just to be sure that everything is in set. And then you come to this place where it says new listings, okay? And in this place, you get to see new coins that have just been listed. There are quite a lot of them. You can click on view more to see more of them. And then you can now begin to pick each one. There are some different, how do I put it now, pointers or parameters that we use to select this particular coin, all right? Now, for our purpose, because we are using a very small amount of money to test, we are going to be looking for a particular coin that will fit our purpose, okay? So I'm going to be looking for a coin that's quite cheap, that's not too expensive, so that we can use that to gain more profit. So I'm going to choose this one called Lever, all right? And you can see automatically it's just showing Lever BUSD, but what I want is I want it to be Lever USDT. So let me put Lever and then go for the USDT version. Okay, now if you look at this, you will see that there's quite a lot of velocity going on here. You can see that it's moving, people are buying, people are selling. You can see that things are going on, it's happening, but not too much on the sell side, but on the buy side there's a whole lot going on, blah blah blah, as you can see that. All right, and as you can see, if you check on the all-time high and all-time low, you would see that the all-time 24-hour high is 0.002955, while the all-time low is 0.002557. So we're going to choose something in between it. So we're going to actually buy this coin, and then by limit, but we're going to put our own price. We're going to put it slightly lower than what we have here. Okay, so currently this is a market price, but we're going to actually buy by limit. Okay, so how much do we have here? We have 14.4935, yeah, and then what we're going to do is we're going to reduce this amount of money, take it, let's go back and check the all-time high. I want to check the all-time high so that we have, let's go back and just choose anyone and then change it to Lever USDT. Okay, so what we have here, if you check very well, we have 2628, but we're not going to buy it at that price. We're going to buy it at a lower price because the all-time low is 2557. We're not going to go as low as 2557. We'll just go like 2600. All right, maybe 2600 or 2590, something that way. Let's go and choose 2590. So I'm going to change this right now to 2590. Okay, now I'll do a quick simulation and see what we'll get. So we'll get that, and then if I have to sell it, what would I get? Let's see. If I have to sell it, I'll put that here and see. Okay, make some profit. So let's go ahead and change that to 2590. We could actually do it lower than that, but we're just looking for something that's not too much at the bottom and not too much at the top, right? So I'm just going to do 100% of that, and I'll go ahead and I'll click on buy. So you will see that we're in the queue right now. So we're going to come back we'll come back and check this in 1 hour. We'll check it in 2 hours, and we'll check it in 3 hours and see what exactly the difference is made. All right, so let's take a screenshot right now. Okay, so we're buying at this price, 2590. Let's see how many of that we got. So I'm just going to see, and then let's just take that screenshot. All right, so that's it. So I'll be back to give you the results within 1 hour, the next 2 hours, and the next 3 hours. See you shortly. Interesting. I'm back. and it's already been bought. All right, so we've actually bought the lever immediately, and as we speak right now, this is what we have. If we check sell, we have this amount. Okay, so you can see we're already in profit, right? But I am not going to sell at this price. I'm going to sell at a higher price than what we have here. Okay, so I'm going to take that price. Don't forget, let's go back to the all-time high. All right, and then choose something slightly lower than that. So let's just click on this and go back to the all-time high. Okay, the all-time high of lever USDT. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that. We have 2955. So I'm going to go and do 2655. All right, let's do 2655. Let's do 2655. Okay, so I'm going to take that to 2655. 2655. So if I do all of this, I'm going to actually make this amount of profit. So I'm just going to click on sell, and then let's see. So we're in queue. Let's see how long this takes. Let's take a screenshot and let's see what we would get. Okay, if I check the assets here, the assets, it's going to give me, okay, these are the current assets. But like I said, I'm going to be getting, what was that I did just now? All right, I think what we saw was like 14 point, I can't remember though. But anyway, there was profit. I think it's 14.7, something in that range. Anyways, I'm sure you saw it. So let's see how this goes, right? Let's come back and check how far this goes in a couple of minutes and a couple of hours. Let's see how it goes. Thank you, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, I'm back right now. And this is like about 3.5 hours after, and yet it's not yet, we've not yet been able to sell our lever to USDT. I think what's up is here that I was quite, I think my estimation was quite overboard in the sense that probably I overestimated. So I'm thinking I should try and adjust it because I've seen that, oh wow, it's actually at 2640, and what we're aiming for, if you remember, is 2655. I think that's quite ambitious. Let's try and adjust it. I mean, we'll still make profit. So let me adjust it to 2640. Let's adjust it to 2640 and let's see whether we'll make profit. Okay, let's see. Let me see what happens here. Oh, what happened? I'm not sure. I think that's what has happened here. Okay, it's interchanged. Okay, let's see whether this will take us there. So let me show you something about, okay, right now you can see it's 2626, and let me show you the trade in the candles, the 15 minutes time. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Actually, it actually got to 2644. If you can see that over there, that just shows you that it has potential to go beyond that mark. Currently, if you check also in the parabolic SARS, it's already lifting up. So that means that it's about to push through. And I'm very, very certain that this is going to sell pretty much very, very soon. Now, can you see we're at 2635? And it's actually pushing through to like probably 2640. So let's see how this goes. I'll be back to give you the results. Okay, I'm back, and this is just probably like about 2 minutes after. We have already sold it, and we already are in profit. We're at 14.74. Yippee! All right, let me just show you that so that you can see it very well. What we were able to sell it for was 2640. You can see that it quickly went there and came back to 2631. And I'm just showing you this to let you know that this is actually, a coin that has a lot of velocity, but when you're trying to put it by limit, you need to be very considerable. All right. So actually, I was quite ambitious. I put it at 2655, but I just noticed over the couple of hours that it was breaking to 2637, 2640, 2641. And you can see that right now it's at 2632. That means it's just hovering around there. So my take on this is, if you're going to do this particular kind of arbitrage, you can try to take it a little bit lower than what I did. I think my estimation for the lower price was not as low as it should be. Maybe if I had taken it down a little bit more, because I noticed that it actually went lower than what I actually intended, So let's take a good look at the trades. Let's look at the history and then look at the trade so that we can understand what I'm saying. Okay, so look at this is the trade history, right? We bought it for 2590, all right? 2590, that's 0.002590. I could have actually done 2565 or 2570, because it actually went lower than that. If you take a good look at the trade, you would see, I'll show you in the chart, that it actually went lower. Now we put it at 2640. 2640, that's 0.00264, and immediately got sold. So this is actually a good threshold. If you take a good look at the distance, 2590, that's like about 50 in between, which is fine. And then you'll be able to still make profit, right, as I've shown you. So let's take a good look at the chart one more time, and you'll be able to see that the all-time, well, not the all-time low, let's look at 1 hour, and you'll see that it actually got to, let me see this point. It got to this point. Let's just look at this point. It got to, sorry, that's within the last 3 hours. It got to 2509. 2509. So if I had put 2570, 2550, thereabout, I would have gotten it at a better price. And then I can place my sell limit to something much more considerable. So I hope you'll be able to learn something from here. Now, I think, let me just do a quick recap on what we've done so far. What we did was that we looked at Lever, which is one of the newly listed coins in the new listing segment, if you remember. And we looked at it and we checked the different price ranges, the high, the all-time high and the all-time low. And we saw that it was 2955 within a space of 24 hours and 2450. So it's okay. Let's choose, if we want to buy this, let's choose a lower price. We chose 2590, which we could have actually gone lower, right? And that sold almost instantly, right? And then when we wanted to place our sell limit, we put 2655. That was quite ambitious, because over 3.5 hours, it didn't reach there. It was hovering around, let me show you again. It was just hovering around 2640, 2637. Look at this. So this is it, 2641, right? 2641. Let me open that for you. 2641. That's where it was hovering around. So that's why we now chose to modify it to 2640. I hope we've learned something here. If you are looking at, this is quite, how I put it, complicated, don't worry. Just send me a DM and I'll be ready, to teach you. You can subscribe to our mentorship. It's paid for though. Yeah, we'll give you a free class, one free class, but it's paid for, right? And they will be able to evaluate your needs and know what exactly you need to know in this triangular arbitrage and both intra and inter arbitrage. All right, thank you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello, and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Yeah, today we're on another episode of spot trading on Binance. Yes. And what are we going to be using today? We are going to be using ARB USDT. All right, let's go to the charts and see what we have. Now, ARB was listed a couple of days ago and it's still in the new listing segment. So let me go to 1-day chart. You can see how it pumped so high when it was selected. Wow. It was really a good one. Yes. Anyways, let's see how it is for today. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Okay. So I'm seeing that it's been pumping. It was actually going up and down for a while. It was in this green candle previous was actually a red candle, and now it's already going up. Well, let's see how it is. I'm going to set a sell limit, a buy limit first, and then afterwards I'm going to set a sell limit, okay? Because you know that spot trading is buying the coin, holding it for a while, and selling it for profit once it rises, okay? So let's go ahead and see how we're going to do this. Let's do a quick simulation. So currently the price is at 1.34. I'm going to take this down to 3.2, right? And then I would pick up the entire 100. Well, that's going to give us, it's not picking up everything though. It's just picking up, that's 19.93, but that's fine. So we're just going to do this and go ahead and copy what we have here. And then we will go ahead and click on our sell and put a sell limit. Let me even see using this current price what it will be. Okay, let's assume that we use this current price. We're going to get how many? We're going to get 20.30. That's 1.5%. Okay, that looks good. That looks good, but I want something that gives me like 2%. So let me see if I put this at 35, what would that give me? Yeah, it will give me like 38%. 1.9. Okay, let's work with this. Let's work with this. At least by the time we remove trading fees, all right, we'll still be left with some good change. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. So first off, we need to buy. Okay, we need to buy. So I'm gonna do a buy limit and take this down to 3.1. Let me try 3.1 and see whether it will even go down there. If it's not, then we'll come back and set, a bigger, or what I call it now, a higher buy limit. Okay, let's go ahead. No, let's go ahead and put 1.31. All right. Let's do this. So I'm going to pick up the 100%. It's giving me 19.91. It's giving me 15.2. I go ahead and buy. Okay. So currently we're in the queue. Let's see how long this takes, and I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. All right, I'm back, but I just remembered something. I just felt that it looks like this particular buy limit looks a bit adventurous, right? Because I was just looking at something here and I just felt I should bring that to our attention. I'm trying to see where 1.31 is, and I'm seeing it looks like quite far. So I'm thinking of making it 1.32. I mean, there's no harm in trying to get it sold off quickly. So I mean, bought off quickly. So I just want to quickly change that. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. And then I'm going to set the buy limit to 3.2, I mean, and then pick up the entire thing. I think that should just be fine. That should just be fine. 3.2 should look like a considerable amount, and then let's just stay in the queue. So be back again with the results. Wow, it's $1.36 already. So you can see that it pumped. It actually pumped. It moved away. Wow. So what I'm going to do right now, because I see it looks like it's going to pump. Okay. So I'm just going to buy outrightly and then set a sell limit for it to go to maybe $1.38. Okay. I hope that's a good decision, because I'm seeing that it's possible for it to pump even higher. You can see that the parabolic SARS is actually pushing it up. So I'm hoping that my decision is right. I'm just going to go check again. Let's look under gainers to see whether it also, I mean, it's under new listings, but let's just be sure that it's also under gainers. Okay, is it on the gainers? Should I go with this? I'm not. Okay, Arb is on the gainers. Okay, let's try this. Let's go ahead and then just buy outrightly. Okay, and then we'll set a sell limit. All right, so let's just cancel. And let's see that we do this well. Okay, let's go ahead and just, go ahead and pick up what we can. Buy outrightly and then set a sell limit. Oh, are we still in the queue? No, it should actually sell instantly. Oh, no. See what's going on here. Oh, yeah, I think it's sold. I think we have already bought it fast. Can you see how that is? Okay, so now where we are now is for us to set a sell limit. Let's set this to 38. All right, let's see what we will get. Whoops. Nah, I'm not going to do this. Let me see. Let's set it to 40. Let's see whether, what's going on here? Okay, let's make this to maybe 50. At least have something. Oh, what am I doing?
let's take this to 40. Okay, that's 20.3. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I take it to 40. If I take it to 38, what is that giving me? Oh, no, that's not okay. Let's go to 40 and let's see whether that's going to help. Okay, at least if it gives us, I'll take it to 45. That is quite outrageous. Let's see. Okay. Let's take this to, let me stop making, let me stop dilly-dallying. Let's go and see whether this is going to go up. All right. So I think I will leave it at 1.42. Let's hope that it does. Let's go ahead, take that screenshot, and then sell. Okay. All right. So, excuse me. We're in the queue right now. Let's see how much we bought it. Okay. We bought it for, oh no, I'm not canceling. We bought it for how much? I should have just have bought it at 34, right? $1.34, and I would have sold out by now. But anyway, what did we buy it as? We bought it at $1.3663. Okay, so what would be the way out just in case this happens? What if we don't get it? What if we don't get it sold? Then that means that we don't have a choice. It has to be sold. That means the only other option is a loss, but by the grace of God, that will not be. So we are bought it. Did I say we bought it? Sorry, we bought it as $1.36. Okay, let's hope we get it sold. And right now, we have put a sell limit at $1.42. Let's hope it does. Okay, let's go and see whether did it even ever get to that point. Let's check. It's really going slow. Did it get to that point? Yeah, I think it did. Oh no, it hasn't gotten to that point. So I don't know whether this is actually going to work. But, well, nothing ventured, nothing gained. This is a new coin. This is a new coin that just got listed when? When did it get listed? It just got listed. Oh yeah, I believe it's going to pump. You can see this. The parabolic SAR is actually under it. So it's very possible that this is even going to pump higher. It went to $1.60 at the beginning. So there's hope. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like 3 weeks. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Let's keep our fingers crossed. And I'll be back with the results. See you shortly. All right, I'm back and it has already sold. Yippee, yippee, yippee. All right, you can see here that we already have sold to USDT. And what do we have here? Wow, we have 20.62, and that's interesting because, after it had removed all the, the charges, what we have is 62 cents as profit. So let's go check what that is in terms of calculations. Or before we go and check, let's look at the, the chart. You can see here that it actually pumped. It went beyond and then it pumped. This took like about 3 hours, 3.5 hours thereabout for this trade to get executed. And that's why, when someone says, oh, do a live trade, right? Because we had a live stream, right, where I was showing us this live trade and, I was hoping that it would execute immediately and all of that. The truth of the matter is that we don't own the market. We cannot tell what's going to happen the next minute, but we can make intelligent guesses, intelligent decisions to see how this works. And that's why we were able to gauge. So let's go check what this is in calculation basis, right? So let's check that out. We have 20.62, right? So let's see, we put $20 there times, would that be 3%? Let's check, times 3%. Yeah, this is about a 3% profit margin trade. Yeah, after all expenses have been removed. So, sorry, please. If I were to make it bare bone, this could have been like 3.5%. Yeah, because it was supposed to give us 20.7 something. That no, what am I saying? 20, no, no. It was supposed to give us something slightly less than that. So, anyways, after all expenses were taken off, we have like about 62 cents. Okay, so that's really cool. Okay, and as you can see, this is actually a very profitable trade, but you see, it's based on the parameters that were talked about. Okay, it was on the gainers, sorry, on the new listing, because like I said, this coin was just recently added. It's barely 3 weeks old. Okay, so let's go back here. It's barely like 3 weeks old, and it's still pumping. As you can see right now, the price is currently $1.52. Okay, so it rose all the way as of yesterday. I mean, at the time when this trade was being done, it was we actually started out seeing it as $1.34, and then we tried to set a buy limit to $1.32. Then we now found that it wasn't going to work, and then it had risen to $1.36. So from $1.36, excuse me, please, it ran all the way, okay, to $1. It actually ran all the way to where? It actually went all the way to $1.59. This is just the current price, and that's how we're able to hit our target. Okay, so let's go back in here. Okay, as you can see, looking at it, it's still pumping, right? And look at the order book. You can see that it's still very alive and very active. These are the things you need to make sure that when you're doing your spot trading, okay, these exist. Let's look at the 24-hour high. We look at it, is the 24-hour high is $1.59. 24-hour low has shifted also upwards to $1.19. Just pick a very good middle space, not the extremes, right? And then make sure that you work with your target. Okay, I hope we've learned something here. If you're really interested in learning more, you can just click on the link in the description. Okay, and you'll be chatting with me about learning more, being part of our premium class. And the class will give you access to apps, websites, tools that help you to get signals for arbitrage. Okay, and then with all of these, right, nobody's promising you any guarantees. I always like to be very upfront and very straight because I don't own the platform. What we do in the class is to guide you, right? To give you, to help you ensure that you don't make losses, and to also help you ensure that you make the right decisions. It's guidance, right? And also to ensure that the trades that you're about to take are safe and have at least a good opportunity for it to be profitable. So that's what we do in the classes. And then we have live practical sessions where we do live trades, okay? And that also helps you to develop that acumen, that ability to be able to pick the right kind of trades. Of course, we all make mistakes from one time to the other. It's part of learning, right? If we don't make mistakes, we cannot get better. So that's the thing. So we can make some mistakes, right? And then along the line, we grow and get better. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for always coming back to watch. I appreciate your time that you spent in investing in improving yourself. That is a very good one that you've done for yourself. All right. So, but if you haven't subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, give us a like, give us a comment, share this with your friends and loved ones, and let people know the things that you are learning that is improving your life. Thank you so much once again. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye. So much once again. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
In this spot trading event, we want to check out this new kid on the block called Pepe/USDT to see what it's got to offer us. Now, welcome to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. So, what do we have here? Now, look at this. Can you see how this is fluctuating? It's fluctuating between 115, 114, 116 is just going up and down. And that's the thing. When you come over to a place where you want to do your spot trading, you have to have velocity. Can you see what's going on here? That shows you that things are moving. Things are going. Can you see how it's moving? That's how we want to see. So let's go to the charts and look at the all-time high and the all-time low within the last 24 hours. Now look at this. Look at this. The all-time high for the last 24 hours is 0.0000127, while the all-time low is 0.0000112. So let's go ahead and choose something right in between it, right? So here we've got we're currently at 115,114. So let me just take a look at this and come down by just one at the edge, and then try to simulate. So what we have is this, and then when we pick that up, okay, then we'll try to sell at 115. 115. Okay, right, 115 here. I think we did 114. So we'll do that 115. And let's see. Okay, let's see. Am I right? Okay, now this is what 20.17. I think what we did, I'm going to do that again. I'm not sure what exactly, I couldn't remember. So what I'm saying was that go down by 1 or 2. Let's even say we go down by 2. Let's go down to 113. All right, we'll pick up that, copy it. All right, and then we sell at 115. Okay, and let's see what we get. Okay, so we get 35 cents. Well, actually, like about 36 cents, which is, if you look at it, that's like about 1.8% or 1.75%, which is good. When we are doing spot trading, you look for a conservative amount. Okay, you go down that by a bit and you go back up by a bit. That's how you do it so that you don't get stuck. So let's look at the charts. All right, so look at the charts here. You can see where it's just going and flipping and flopping. So this was the all-time low. So we're going to set this. I'm not sure whether this is going to go to 113, but you can see how it's just going up and down. Let's try 114. Okay, let's try 114 again. So when we try 114, 114 should just make it convenient. Okay, it's already on 114. So why are we going on? Let's just see. Okay, so if I sell this at 116, how much would I make? It's obviously going to be the same amount, all right, that I would make. Yeah, about the same amount. So now you can see what we have here. It's currently at 115. So I'm going to go down to 113 and see whether we can get this done. Okay, let's move it quickly to 113. And there we go. So first off, I'm just going to have to put a buy limit here. All right, a buy limit of 113. Okay, so let's pick that up and see how much we get. And then we go ahead and then we buy. So we're currently in the queue. So let's see how long this takes to get this executed. I'll be back with the reports. See you shortly. All right, I'm back. And as you can see, it has already bought. So the next thing now is for us to quickly set our sell limit. Okay, so for us to set our sell limit, we're going to go over to use 115. So don't forget that what we actually set as our buy limit was 113. So now for our sell limit, we're going to take it to 115. Okay, so for us to do this, we just have to like pick up 100%. And you can see, oh, wow, it's gone a bit lower. Now we're in 20.33. What if I change this to 6? Let's see what, oh, it's going to go to 20.51. Wow, so this is at 20.51. Would you I think this is going to go up so soon? I'm not sure. Wow, it's still deep in, but I'm just going to try this out and see. Let's leave it as 116 for now. This looks a bit funny, but I'm just going to go with it. I'm going to go with it. And let's just take our screenshots and then we'll sell. Okay, currently it's in the queue. I'll be back to give you the results shortly. All right, I'm back. And guess what? Pepe USDT has already sold. And see what we've got. We've got 20.4899. And you can guess what that is. This shows that we've got about 48 cents, like about 49 cents, almost 50 cents profit, and that's like about 2.5%. Yes, so let's just say 2.4%, right? And that was really cool. Of course, that took a little bit of time. If you check the charts, you would see that immediately after I placed my trade here, there was a huge dip. Look at it. It went all the way and went so down. And all of a sudden, it kept on going sideways until just about a few minutes ago. And it just had a big pump, boom, to the top. And I'm telling you, so Pepe has showed that it's time for it to pepper us, right? So Pepe has peppered us. It has given us some pepperistic moves. Awesome. So that was actually a nice one. As you can see, this is like about 2.4%, profit. And just imagine that you put in $1,000. What would you make? I mean, let's just go and check the calculations. If you put in $1,000, right, what would you make? This is what, 20, and we say times what, 2.4%, and we got 48 cents. So if you had $2,000, for instance,
You had $2,000. What will you get? Times 2.4%. 2.4%. What will you get? You get $48. So that means that if you had $1,000, right, you would get $24 as your profit. You had $100, you would get $2.40. And that's why with my $20, I was able to get 48 cents. Now, do you understand what we're talking about here? This just shows, right, that when we're doing these things, it's very important that you understand the concept behind it. Now, I must tell you the truth, right? I was just carried away by the fact that it's one of the new boys on the block, right? That was why I was just carried away by it. But when I went back to check the status, I saw it was amongst, it was amongst the losers. When I look at it, I mean, normally you should go, I mean, it's currently on hot, right? But if you look at it on new listings, you might find it somewhere there, right? Because pepper is on the new listings, but it's not like high up. It's just somewhere down. If you look at the gainers, it's not, I don't think it's there for now. Yeah, it's not there. It's actually on losers, right? So it went all the way from losers. Oh, it's not even there right now because right now it's picked up, right? It's currently on hot because it's really hot. It's really, really hot right now. It just sprang up from 0.000100 to 115, and that made it hot. Now, of course, I was just carried away by the fact that it's new. But the truth of the matter is one of the new coins on the block, right? So it's quite given to a lot of volatility. Because if you take a look at what they said here, take a look, it says risk warning. The price of this token is subject to high volatility, very high. So that means at some point it can unnecessarily drop, and at some point, it can unnecessarily rise, just like you can see here. You can see how this thing looks. It looks really interesting. See the kind of dump it had, and then all of a sudden, within a couple of hours, which is always like about 10, 15 hours, it had a really good home run. And that's why you have to understand that when you're choosing coins like this, especially coins that are just listed in the market, especially this Pepper USDT, we just listed, if you check it, how many days ago? It just listed about probably like 2 weeks ago. Like about 2-3 weeks ago, you could just count that. You will see how many days it's been listed. Just about 2 weeks ago. Let me check when this one listed. I guess can see the big pump, right? This was listed on the 5th of May, right? And as we're doing this recording, this is the 6th of June, just about a month ago. So that's it. It's still a new, fresh coin in the space. Anyways, I hope you've learned something. Pepper USDT has given us some pepperistic moves, right? And so we're happy that we're able to make some good change from this, some good money from this. So try it out and let's see how it has gone with you. Let me know your experience, if it went well with you. And if you're considering trying this out, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Come on, hit that subscribe button, right? Give us a like, give us a share, and more importantly, always come back to watch our videos. You can go to our playlist. We have several, videos there for you to learn from, right? This is like a university of crypto, right? You will see a university of arbitrage where you can actually watch, videos on triangular arbitrage, inter-exchange arbitrage, spot trading like we just did right now with Pepper USDT, and learn more. And if you're interested, right, in learning more and you want my one-on-one counsel, you can click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Will XVG come out profitable? Yeah. We're going to look out for this, right? You are welcome to Income Strategies, the place where you'll learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Yes. Now, I'm currently on XVG/USDT, and we need to look into the charts so quick. Now, this is on the gainers list, right? So we need to quickly take our move. And as you can see, if I go back, you will see that it's within the past 24 hours, it has gained 67% increase. And I'm like, really? Okay, let's go see how to take advantage of this. Okay, now in this one, because it's in pump mode, we're just going to go ahead and buy. Oh my gosh, it's going up and down, but we just got to take advantage of this and we're going to buy. All right, so currently what do we have here? We've got 100 USDT. So let's go ahead and do a quick simulation, right? You pick that up. And the price is actually really tiny, so we can get a lot of a lot of pieces from this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to sell and change this to 40, let's say 409. Let me see. 409. Let's just see what this will give us. 102.5. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's change it to 409. So let's go ahead and do this quickly. We are buying. We are not taking any chances. We're buying outrightly. Let me do this again. Just tap that out. So just make sure you pick up 100% and then take our screenshots, and then we go to buy quickly. Oh, we're in the queue. Will this take some time? Because the price has been, oh yeah, it's gone. It's gone. It's bought already. So let's move into action really straight. Let's not waste time at all. No, this is not what we're doing. This, if I look at it, we're already in profit. One cent profit? No, we want to do this for 09. Let's see whether, will it get there? I don't know. Let's go check. In the past 1 hour, did it get to 409? Oh, yes, it did. No, in the past 1 hour, did it get to 409? Oh, let me see. Let's see. Let's not waste time. Oh, it got to 408. But we're sure it will definitely get to 409. So, should we make it 408 instead? Oh, let's see. Let's make it 408. What would we get? Let's see. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's just take the 100% here. Oh, yeah, it will get to 408. So let's go ahead and make this 408, okay? So let's do all the refreshes and change this to 408 because it got to 408 in the last 1 hour. So we're expecting that it should. And if it wastes time, you know what I'm going to do? You definitely know what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here and change it. So we're going to looking at having a profit of 2.7, like 2.7%. So let's see. We're currently in the queue right now. Let's see how long this will take, and I will be back to give you the results. Wow, woo! It has already executed. And can you see what I can see here? We made 102.63. That's like $2.63, almost $2, 64 cents. That's good. Really good. Now, let's take a look at the charts. Now you can see what happened. This executed a couple of hours ago while I was sleeping. Like I tell you, I love it when I make money while I'm sleeping. Yeah. That's the beauty of trading. Just set it and leave it and go to sleep. All right. So here it is. You can see that it actually ran all the way to 0.0065. Oh my gosh, there was a bull run. You know that as at the time when we set this, see the percentage is now plus 83.2. In fact, 82%. That's it within the last 24 hours. In fact, when we were placing this trade, remember it was hovering around 63, 64% plus. But now, see what happened? It ran all the way. It ran all the way. Now it's coming down. It has a pullback. As you can see, it's still going up. These are the kind of coins that when you do this trade, you can do it over and over and over again. Yeah, it's really, really cool. Yeah, so let's see what we set was like 0.00409 or something like 408. I should have done more, but anyways, like I always tell you, it's better to be safe than sorry. As you can see here, oh my God, I'm trying to find out the level where it got to. See, yeah, something in, oh wow, it's even still so far. I think it was supposed to be somewhere here. Let me see. Yeah, so in fact, lower than that. But just to let you know how well it ran all the way. And this trade took like about 2.5 hours, which is good. I mean, when I tell you about patience, patience is key. Some trades could take like 30, what am I saying? Some trades could take like 30 minutes. Some could take like 9 days or even 10 days. Yeah. Some could take hours, like 5 hours, 6 hours. So you cannot really tell how long it's going to take. But what you are sure of is that once it executes, because you're doing this with limit order, then you're sure that you're going to make that exact amount you actually set there. Of course, less your trading fees because they're going to take 0.1%. All right. And 0.1% means that they're going to take 10 cents. So really what we, envisaged this to be was like 2.7%. But don't forget, it has to take its 10 cents away. That's why we have $2.63. So just always plan that. And the good thing about it is that when you're doing spot trading, you only have 2 trading fees to pay. If you're doing triangular arbitrage, you've got 3 trading fees to pay. If you're doing inter-exchange arbitrages, right, you're going to have 2 trading fees to pay and 1 transfer fee. That means you're going to have 3 different set of fees. So just look at it. In spot trading, you'd have two trading fees to pay. And then in triangular arbitrage, you have three trading fees to pay. And inter-exchange arbitrage, you got also three trading fees to pay. So this is actually much, much cheaper, to execute in terms of, the fees that go into it. And of course, if you're able to check on this coin and you can see that it is pumping, like I always say, just go right ahead and take advantage of it. Now, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes and educational purposes, right? But what I can tell you for sure is that if you're looking at, the charts, if you're looking at the charts, right, you should be able to tell when you see the combination of the parabolic SAR and the RSI. Those two things, make sure you set them to have it. Now, of course, we can actually do well with having, the exponential moving averages. You can have the Bollinger Bands and all of those things. But for me, these are my absolute favorites, right? Just make sure you have your parabolic SAR set up and make sure that you also have your RSI set up. Just choose them at the base. That's all you just have to do. Look at it. If I click on SAR, look at it now. If I click on this and I put that off, it's going to go off. But if I put it back on, it's going to come back, right? If I take off the RSI, it's going to go off. If I click on it again, it's going to show up. These are the things you should be looking at because these are the things that are going to give you what I call it now, the grace to get these intelligent guesses right. Of course, you also need to pray that you don't get it, stuck, right? But the truth of the matter is you don't own the market, right? Some you will get, some you would lose, and that's the truth. But we always pray and we work towards having more wins than losses. Now, I hope you've learned something from this awesome trade. I personally enjoyed it while doing it. So go ahead, try this out by yourself, okay? Take advantage of this. Go to the new listings, go to the gainers, and make a choice and get started. And if you want to learn more, just click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you so much once again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. Bye. Are you ready for a piece of ACA/USDT? Let's get started. Now, you're welcome to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Now, look at this. ACA/USDT is currently pumping and we gotta get a piece of this pie. All right, we're gonna go over and do all our simulations, okay? So we currently have $100 here, and then all we just have to do is quickly pick this up, copy it, and then we go over to sell and change this to where did it get to the other time? It got to where it got to. It got to 86. Okay, let's not be that outrageous, but maybe somewhere on top of here, right? So let's see what that gives us. Okay, 0809. All right, let's get into it. So we put in the sell, and then we put in 7809. Is that 809? 08809. All right, so let's put that there. Great. Let's do this. Let's not waste time. This is currently how many percent up? 53+%. So we need to get into this fast. But let me just check one more time just to be sure. All right. Let's get into this. All right. So let's go ahead. Take our screenshots. And then we go ahead and buy. Did we buy it? Did we buy it? It looks like we did. Although we have some little 12 cents here, but that's not the main point. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So here we are. Let's quickly do this. Let's hope this is going to be fast, right? Let's put 80 what? 809. All right. And let's see. 302. That's 103. Let's go ahead and do this. I could always come back and, change this, right? All right, so let's go back now. Now that we've done this, let's go back and see whether this is feasible, okay? Let's get back into the charts and look at this. Oh, wow, it's pumping. How much do we need to get to? Oh, wow, can you see that? I just love the move. Let's see if I go up here. Oh, wow, 809. It's going to get there. I'm sure it's going to get there. Wow, even right now, we're currently in profit. 809. Come on. Let's not waste time. Right now, as we wait till it gets there. Oh my gosh. I'm sure it's going to get there. Wow. If I go, oh my gosh. Can you see what I'm seeing here? Can you see that? Wow, I hope it doesn't go down. It's 800. Wow, let me go and see. Let me go and see how much we are currently in. This is what? 1275.85. Let's go check. 125, 125. Am I right? Am I right? Let me check it again. I'm not sure. Let me see. I think I'm excited, you know. Let's see. We're talking about 1275, okay? 0.85. 1275.85. We're currently in profit. I'm cashing out. I am cashing out. Oh my God. I think we've hit it. I think we have hit it. Wow. Oh my God. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you see? This is what I call the sweet trade. Oh my gosh. Are we going to do this one more time? Okay, now it's your turn. Go ahead and try this, right? Oh my God, this is awesome. Now, just right before your eyes, I didn't even have to go and sit down and rest. Just right before your eyes, see what happened. We had a great bull run, right? We had a great bull run. Oh my God. Can you see this? It hit. Let me see. Let me show you again. It hit 809 right before your eyes. Oh my God. It even hit up to what? What did it hit up to? It hit up to 810. This is pumping. You got to get into this, right? But please always check on the parameters. I mean, it may not be as cool as this when you are watching this, right? So I just want you to please take your time, right? Look at everything, make sure that all the parameters are met, right? And what are the parameters we're talking about? Let's go back again. Now that I've made money, I can I can relax, yeah, and show you how, right? Now, first thing you gotta check the 24-hour high, which was 0869, which was cool. The 24-hour low, that means it's really volatile, right? Look at the volume, 37.9 million. Oh my gosh. Now, this is good. These are the two things that we need to really check, right? Then you check whether it's pumping. Once it's pumping, as you can see here, all you just have to do is check the trade, buy, and then set a conservative sell limit. Conservative for us, this was a conservative one because I saw the movement. I saw right now it's coming down. Right now it's coming down. So you will have to check, right? You'll have to check it's coming down, but definitely, you know, when the trade comes down, it will take a little bit of time and then it will go back up. So we just were able to catch it. And look at the parabolic SAR. Look at the parabolic SAR. Oh my gosh. See how it has gone all the way up. Pushing it up, that shows the momentum. All right. Look at the RSI. It's also, what is it right now? The RSI is 79. When I saw it earlier, I was like, it's already at 78, right? Would I go ahead and do this? But I saw that the momentum was high and it was not going down. See, right now, we were able to have that little bull run. Then, you know, there's a little bit of pullback. It will do that, right? It will go back up again. And after a while, it will pull back. So that's how it is. So you got to take advantage of this, right? I hope by the time you're watching this video, right? Let me give you a disclaimer. I hope by the time you're watching this video, it's good as this. Because I don't know when you'll be watching this video. You could be watching this video maybe like 2 months after I posted this, right? Or you could be watching it right on the day I posted it. But you have to check. If it's giving you the same parameters like this, go ahead. But please don't blame me because I'm not going to be held liable for any of your losses or any of your profits. Definitely, I'm not going to share your profits with me, right? You know, but you have to be very careful. Oh, what's happening? Let's see. Is it going up again? Oh, it's going down right now. It has this pullback, right? So anytime you see like 2, 3, 4 candles, it will have a pullback. You see 2, 3, 4 candles. Look at this one. Look at this. Like about 4 hours ago, because each of these candles are 1 hour, right? Look, about 4 hours ago, it hit up to 869. Can you see that? You know, so after a while, you know, it came down and then it had 2 red candles for next 2 hours. So that is the way at times this kind of trading goes. Okay, you just have to make sure that whatever you do, you are looking at these parameters. All right, and if you are not sure about what to do, of course, you know the best option is for you to click on the link in the description. And you can chat with me if you want to learn more, all right? If you need someone that can hold you by the hand, that can take you through this step by step, right? And have a live trading we can have a live trading session right together. Wow, go ahead, click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, excuse me, why haven't you? I need an answer because see all this value I'm dishing out to you free of charge. All right, all you just have to do to pay me back is just to click on the subscribe button. It's free. You don't have to pay any money. Just need your finger to just go there right now and click it. All right. And when you do that, you become a member of this channel. And you can also decide to be a member, right? Because we have a membership. You can just go into the membership area. We have two levels of membership. We have Radiance and we have Brilliance. So what is Radiance? Radiance is a membership option that gives you early access to our videos. So that means you get to see it before other people see it. You get to ask your premium questions. Yeah, before other people get to do so, right? So it's just for one tiny little bit, the tiny bitty money, right? It's just for you to know that we are here to serve you. And then we have Brilliance. Brilliance is it, right? Is where you get access to all our training courses, where you get all access to all our training courses, okay? Where, it's going to be in a, membership area only for you. No other kind of member will see it. Free subscribers are not going to see it, right? Even Radiance wouldn't see it. So it's going to be just for you, right? So you get early access to our videos and you also get access to all our training content. Wow, for a very tiny fee also. Thank you once again for watching. I appreciate you. I mean, you saw this live trade right on point. If you take look at it again. Look at it again. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's going down. It's now 7-8. But anyway, for me, I had fun. Did you have fun? We got a piece of the pie. All right. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Will Smurf Cart give us what we're looking for? Let's wait and see. You are welcome to Income Strategies, the place where you'll learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Today, we're on BitGet and we're going to be performing a spot trading activity. All right. So now let's get into the details of SmurfCat. Let's go ahead and look at the gainers, right? Now take a good look at gainers, right? When you go all the way at the bottom, right? All you just have to do is search for gainers and we'll see quite a number of them. But this one that I call SmurfCat has been rising like about 22% within the past 24 hours. So let me just click on it and show you what's inside of the chart. Can you see what's happening here? As you can see, I must let you know that BitGet doesn't have the parabolic SARS. I have checked for it, I've looked for it. I mean, my absolute best technical indicator is, parabolic SARS, but it doesn't have it. So well, we just gotta have to make do with what it has. So we have the RSI, we have the Bollinger Bands, and I can see from here that you can see that in the past 1 hour it has been going up. Yeah, you will see a little bit of pushing up and down here and there, but as you can see, it's still in the green. Or is it what I call it, the turquoise? Okay, so it's possible that we will be able to get some volatility that will push the price up. All right. So another thing that we also need to take a good look at is the volume, and naturally you may not get very large volumes for maybe newer coins and things like that, but I mean 373k USDT, not bad at all. So now let's go ahead and look at the 24-hour high and the 24-hour low. Now you can see that the 24-hour high is let me just ignore the four zeros, right? It's 67.36, and while the 24-hour low is 41.57. So now let's go into the actual coin. So we're going to search it out. Look at the name. It's SmurfCat. Okay. Such a long name for a coin, but you can actually have any name that you so choose. So let's go ahead and check this out. We're going to search for SmurfCat. Okay. So let's go to SmurfCat. All right. So here we are. Now, I hope you remember that the way we go about spot trading is that we look at all these parameters and then begin to check what is going to be if we go down a little bit to buy, and then we can now leave it, and when it appreciates, we'll sell off. That's just the concept of spot trading, right? But if it's already in the pump mode, we just have to buy outrightly. So we're going to try out both and see what this is going to give us. Now we've got $25 here in our BitGet, so we're going to see how that works. And if you haven't joined BitGet at all and you're wondering whether you should, you can just check the link in my description and you can just sign up with my link. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what we will get. Now let's try this out. It has, you can see it has a couple of zeros, and we have 5, 6, 7, 9. Now what we saw there, which was the high, was 6, 7, right? Don't forget 6, 7. Let's go to the Let's go to the what's it called now? Yeah, let's go. You wow, it's mounting up. We gotta buy. We just have to buy. You can see what's going. Oh my God, we gotta buy. We have to buy. So I'm gonna do this really fast. If I put this $25 here, okay, we're gonna get this. If I just go up a little bit, let me cut, and then if I say sell and I go up just slightly a little bit, let's make this. Can we go to 6? I don't know. Let's quickly put this in here and let's paste. Okay, we'll make $1. Wow, that's good. I mean, we don't have to wait all the way to get to that point. Once it gets into profit, we are going out. So let's quickly go and do this. Let's buy. Let's buy. Let's buy. Let's quickly put in that. Let's quickly refresh, put in, and then let's see. Let's buy. Sharp, sharp. Okay. Oh yeah, come on, buy. Let's not waste time. Did it buy? Did it buy? I think it did. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what do we have, right? What we've got. Oh my God, what do we have? Let me see. I'm just gonna refresh, and then oh yeah, we've already bought it. Let's see how much we have. All right, so it's giving us everything we have. Let's go check what's happening in the charts. Has it gone up a little bit more? Oh my God, it's look like it's going up. But let's go check how much we will get if we try to sell this all. Okay, wow, we're gonna get 62 cents. Let's try this. I'm going out right away. Let's see. Let's see. Are we gonna get this sold? Whoopee! Have we sold it? Have we sold it? Have we sold it? It looks like we have. Let's see how much we made. Okay, so let's refresh. And let's see. Okay, seems like we're in the queue. All right. How much are we supposed to make? 25.62. Let's go and check what's going on in the charts. Don't forget, we started out with $25, okay? And then let's go check what's going on. Let's go check what's going on. Oh, it's going down. It's going down a bit. It's going down a bit. But let's go and see how this is gonna happen, right? So, anyways, we're currently in the queue. Let's see how this will take, how long this will take before we reach our goal. All right, I'll be back to give you the results shortly. Well, woo, we're back and it has already executed. Let's go see how much we've made. Woo, woo, woo. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We've made, let me show you how much we've made. We've made 60 cents, right? What that is, let's go calculate it, right? What we started out with was $25. That's 25 USDT. And now we've made 60 cents. So what exactly is that? All right, let's go check it in calculations, okay? Let's go check that out in the calculator and see how much we've made. Okay, let's go to our calculator. We started out with $25, remember? So let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see how much that is. So we have we started out with $25. So we're gonna multiply that. I think that should be like 2.5%, if I'm right. Almost, almost. Let me cut this off a little bit and make it 2.2, 2.25. Am I right? No, it's like my mathematics is failing me. 2.4. Yeah, 2.4%. Like I said, that was not bad at all, right? So we made 2.4% profit. So imagine that I had $100. Wow, what would I make? I would make 24. I'll make $24. Am I right about that? No, of course not. $2.40. The money. My mind is calculating in the 1,000 range because if actually I had $1,000 to do this trade, I'll make $24. Do you get it? Yeah. So with $100, I'll make $2.40. So with this $25, we made 60 cents. I hope that makes sense, right? Okay. So was this a profitable trade? Definitely it was. It was definitely profitable, right? So I'll just advise you go ahead and do this. This is spot trading. Spot trading you can do on any exchange. It's all about knowing the movement of price, looking at the technical, the technical indicators. Let's go again and see what's going on in the life of Smurf Cat. Oh my God. It sounds, oh my God. Can you see what's going on here? This thing is pumping. Hey, hey, hey. Now, let me give you a disclaimer. It might not pump by the time you come in to do this, right? But all you just have to do is make sure you check all those parameters. Don't forget, you will check the volume, check the 24 hours high and low, and choose somewhere in between, okay? And make sure that if it is pumping, just go ahead and buy.
If it's like you're not, it's not like kind of just somewhere in between up and down, you can decide to choose a lower price first and then leave it to rise and then you cash out. I hope that makes sense. I hope we've learned something interesting from this particular edition of spot trading on BitGet. And if you haven't joined BitGet, you'll need to use my link below. Okay. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.
This Waxp, you just want me to take you, right? Waxp wants me to take this. Okay, maybe actually, but because everything is still okay, it's in pump mode, so I'll just pick it up. Let's do this. I think Waxp wants me to take it, so let's go ahead because at least whichever way, it's in pump mode. It's not yet 70. The parabolic SARS is in place, so let's just go with it. Okay, let's just put in $50. 727. Okay, of course, we definitely wouldn't have as much. Let's see, what was the highest it went to? What was the highest? That was 750. I'll check it out. Let's see, 750. Let me not waste time. 750. 750. That's 75. Let's check it out. $54. That's a whole lot, right? Yeah, but let's just go ahead and just buy this thing. Okay, let's put in $50 and buy it. Yeah, one to go. One to go. What are we taking? Let's go. One to go. Did he buy? I think it did. I think we bought it. Okay, so let's go ahead. We bought it. Let's go ahead and quickly put our. I mean, it's looking like it's going up. It's looking like this is gonna give us some good money for our buck. Let's go ahead and let's change this to 6.9. Let me just see what 6.9 will give me first, and then I'll pick 100%. Oh, no. 6.9. No, not 6.9. Let's see. Let's put it as 6.9. What was the next one? 7.5. Okay, let's just put it as. Let's even see. Will we make profit if we're here? It's not there. Not yet there, but not yet there. So let's put it 691. 6.9. Oh, say next 6.92. No, what am I saying? 6.92. Let's put 6.92 here. 6.92. Let's see how much we'll make. I don't want that. That's too low. 6.95. Nah, still low. Let me do 6 and let me do 7. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I like this one. Let's go with this one. One to go. So we're currently in the queue. Okay, we put it at, how much did we buy it? We bought it at how much? Let's check the trade history. We bought it as 686. We bought it at 686. Look at that. 686. That's how much we bought it as. Okay, so if we bought it at 686, let's see how much we can get it at. It's already at 690. Oh, interesting. Let's hope it goes all the way up. Let's try. Let's hope it does. I do hope so. Wow. Oh my God. I just had to come back immediately. See, Waxp has already executed. Awesome. Oh my God. Don't forget, we set this for 07, right? And look at it. It has already executed. Can you just imagine the last becoming the first? That's what it means, right? Look at the trade history. How much did we buy it? We bought it at 0. Look at it. We bought it at 0686, right? Look at that. Look at that. We bought it at 0686 and then we sold it at 0.07. And we made 90 cents. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. 90 cents. 90 cents. What's that? Let's take a good look at our calculator again. 90 cents, that should be 1.9. Am I right? 1.95. Let's look at that. 50 times 1.95. No. That's the 1.9, I guess. 1.9. No, 1.85. 85. 8. No, let me say 1.8. 1.8, that's it. 1.8%. We made 90 cents. Awesome. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Awesome. Guys, give me a pat on the back, right? Let me know that you're learning something here. Look at it. We made 90 cents. Look at it. 90 cents. Awesome. That's beautiful. 1.8% profit. That's perfect.
and we've been able to. I mean, we could have actually put. I mean, it looks like as if I'm shortchanging myself, right? But that's it. Look, the truth of the matter is that put conservative amounts. I can go back into this trade again. Do you want us to go back into this trade? I think I would. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Let us do it one more time. Look at it. Look at the profit here. 89 now. Perfect. That's good. Anyways, let's do it one more time. There's no harm in doing this, right? It's still in the pump mode. Let's put $50 again. Wow. Let's put $50 again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I hope this is not emotions. I hope so. Anyways, how much did we buy it? How much did we buy it? Let's see. We bought it at 702. All right. So let's go back and sell. We don't know whether this is going to work. Probably I did this under emotions, but I hope it's not. Anyways, I'm going to do this again and put 705. Let's see. Oh, no. 705. If I put 705, what would it be? What am I doing? That's not it. No. Let's put 71. Let's put 71. Let's put 71. Maybe it will go. Maybe it won't. I don't know. I just decided, 12 cents. No, that's too small. Would it go? I don't know. But I'm just working with this and seeing whether it's going to work. Okay. Yeah, you could say, oh, am I taking a gamble? No, I'm not doing that. I'm just still working with what is going to happen. Okay. $1.55. That's a whole lot. Let me do 7.2. Okay. I'll do 7.2. Let's do 7.2. Let's see what I will get to 7.2. And then we'll just put that at 83 cents. Not bad. Let's go ahead and let's go into the queue. Okay. So WaxP, this is our second journey. Let's hope that this is going to work. Okay, we're back in the queue. Let's see how long this is going to take for us to have the second round of WaxP. All right, so let's hope and see that this gets there. Would it get there? Let's even see. It should. It got to 7.5. So why not? This is in 7.2. Let's wait and see. I'll just be here to come back to give you the results as always. In for it, and it looks like I'm going to cash out at this point. Okay, so let's go ahead and just, let's cancel this and let's see how much we can get. I'm just interested in getting my money back because, well, at this point, I just want to get my money back. Oh, I'm in the queue. Good. Sold. What I noticed, right, was that it was wasting time. Oh, I should have waited. But at this point, it's okay. I've cashed out. I'm fine with it. And I've made more profit. Let's see how much we have. Good. So I've made profit. So I'm good with it. Let's look at the profit that we have. I wasn't sure. It was going up and going down, going up and going down. So cumulatively for the two trades, we made $1.55, which is fine. Okay. So, I mean, it's like about 75 cents each, and I'm okay with that. That's fine by me. I wasn't sure what I should wait for it, but right now it actually has gone beyond, but I've cashed out. That's good for me. Let's check what we have in the trade history. It eventually got to the point, but I still made profit. I'm good with that. I made profit and I'm fine with that. In life, we shouldn't be greedy, right? Even though it still eventually went beyond, the 7.2, that's fine. I'm okay. I haven't lost money and I'm good to go. So let's go ahead and check what's going on in the other parts of the trade. It actually went beyond, but that's fine. I wasn't sure it would push up, but it did. But that's fine. I don't think I want to go back in again. It eventually cashed out, but at a point, like about say, it just kept on going down. It kept on going down. I'm like, no, I need to get out of this. Oh, do you think we should do it one more time? What do you think? No, I'm not doing it. It's pushed up already, made some profit. It wasn't as much as I wanted. What it did was that it picked up. I think I made like 50 cents reading, because what happened was that it actually picked up. What was it now? Let me show you what it picked up so that you will understand that it wasn't 33 cents we made. We actually made more than that, right? So if we look at the trade history, right, we actually bought, the amount we bought was 49.63. So if we look at it, we made what eventually came out was 50.34. That's 50.33, I mean. So 50.33 minus 49.63. So I'm happy with that. So we made 50, that's 50.33.
63. Yes. So let's see. Let's see what that gave us, right? Let me go back and see what that gave us. That's 63. So we actually made 70 cents. That's okay. That's okay. So 49, we made 70 cents from this particular trade. I could have made more, probably another extra 30 cents or thereabout, but that's fine. I mean, that would have made $1 and that would have been 2%. But let me just look at this. So let me see how many. That's that would be 49.63 times how many? That's 1.5. Yeah, like 1.3. Let me say 1.3. 1.3 or no, 1.4%. Like 1.41%. Yeah, almost like 1.42%. Yeah, something that range. So we actually, the second trade, we made 1.42%, which is good. So if we look at it, it was a combination, right? We made 90 cents and then we made 70 cents. So altogether it was like $1.50 on top of the $100, which is 1.5% altogether. And I'm cool with that. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that, I've cashed out and I'm happy with it. Yes, eventually it ran all the way. I could sit here and be saying, oh, why did I cash it out? No, I'm happy with my choice. I'm happy with the fact that I still made profit. It went all the way. I could have made more. Yes, I could have made more. But, once it runs along, don't forget that it's going to have a pullback. So it was that pullback period, right? It was just going down and going down. It went all the way down and was going to give me a loss. So I just said I was going to get out of this trade. And I'm good that I'm getting out of it with profit. Okay. I just saw Doc. Oh, this looks like it's good. Looks like it's good. Ooh, let's see. Put in the entire amount. Okay. Let's just check this out. Cut. Sell. What was the highest? Of course, that's the highest. Let's see whether it will go to 6.7. Let's see. Let's see whether we're gonna put it at it. Okay. Or maybe it should go to 6.9. 6.9. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go with Doc. Oh, are we all still in the queue? I don't like being in the queue. Well, this is it. Cancel it. If I go with 6, would it go? I'm not even sure. Let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's pick it up and let's go with it. Yeah, let's go. But of course, we picked the higher price. Come on, what do you expect? The high price is what we picked and it's gone up. So let's sell. Let's see what we're having. What are we having now? Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Can we even make some money with this? No, not yet. So let's put this in. 6.9. Let's see. 76. Okay. 6.95. Uh-oh. So let's put 6.91. What's that? 6.93. I want it to be at least closer to it. All right, let's go for it. So we're currently in the queue right now. See what's happening in Doc. How much did we buy it? I can't even remember. Let's check how much we bought Doc. We got it at 16.63. So it's experiencing a 16.63. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. It just needs some more time to push up. Do you have anything for us? Let's see. I think it was 166 we bought it as. I think it was 166. Let's be sure. I think it was 166. So it's going down lower right now. And we're currently on Doc. And Doc is going up. Yeah, Doc is going up. I just want to see if there's money to be made here. Alrighty, it looks like it's going to fire up very soon. Should I cash out now or should I wait? I don't want what happened to me earlier to go on. Let's see if there's money to be made. Let's just cancel it and see if there's money to be made. We'll just go ahead and just make it. Wow, 76 cents. That's good. That's good. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go. One to go. Oh, we're in the queue. Oh, well, that's another thing. Let me cancel that. Let me see if I go for a lower price. Will I still make money? I think I should make money. Let's see. Oh my God. See. Oh my God. It's going. We are cashing out. Oh my God. We are cashing out. Let's see. Oh my God. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel it. We're getting more than we actually planned. We're getting more. We're getting more. We're getting more. That's good. Want to go? Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, let me go. Let me cancel this one more time. What's going on? Why hasn't it? Okay, I should go for a lower price. It wants me to go for a lower price. Okay, I'll go for a lower price. Come on, just give it to me. Oh, have we cashed out? Well, I don't know. Let me see. Oh my God. Let's see if I can get. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. I think I've cashed out. It was already on the verge of going down. Anyways, we made money. Let's see. Let's see how much we made. Let's see how much we made. We made 74 cents. Good one, though. Good one. That's a good one. That is a good one. Good, good, good. Thumbs up. You can see it's going down now. We cashed out. Let's ship out our profit. Let's ship out our profit before we check the others. Okay? Let's ship out our profit very quickly. Let me ship out the profit. Transfer. So let's ship out the profit. Let's put there. Oh, no. That's not what I'm doing. Okay. Ship out the profit. And then we will just remove that so that we can check the others. Okay. We just ship out the profit. That was 74 cents. Perfect. All right. Let's go see what's going on. So it's going down now. Doc, we're out of you. That's a good one. We made profit. We made 74 cents. 74 cents is how much? Let's go check. How many percentage is that? Let me check what that is. Let's go and check on the calculator. Let's see. That's 50 times 1.4. Yeah, that's a bit more than 1.4. Let's see, 1.45. Let's see, 1.44. 1.44. Okay. 74 cents. How much is that? 1.445. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, 46. Okay, something in this range. Oh, this is 49. It's supposed to be 47 or 47. Yeah, something in this range. 47, 48. Yeah, 1.48%. Don't mind me. I'm still trying to wrap my head around all the mathematics that goes on in this trading extravaganza. Okay, so we made profit there. Let's try it out. Okay, so let's put in $50. Let's see. It's not that expensive. Let's cut that. And then where did it get to? The last 24 hours. 2440. Okay, let's go and see. Sell. 2440. 2440. Yeah, 0. You see? Interesting. That's a lot. Okay, so let's just put I think we can work with this anyways. Let's see what we can work with. We can work with this VIDT. I just pray that as it's going up, it just keeps on going up. It's not fully on pump mode, but the conditions look right. Let me see. It's the parabolic size is under, and but the RSI is not as high. Okay, let's go ahead and just try this out. Let's put in $50. Let's put in $50. $50. Okay. Let's see. Want to go? Looks like it's in the queue, but I can cancel that.
Okay, that means it wants me to buy a higher price. 2210. Okay, let's just try the simulation to see whether I will make money. 2210. Okay, $50. 2262. So if I make this 2 3, somewhere in between, right? Okay, somewhere in between 2 to 3. Let's see how much we will make. Wow, it's a lot. It is a lot. So let me pick it. I'll pick it. Oh, sorry. I'll pick the higher price. And let's buy $50 worth. Let's buy it. On to go. Done, obviously. You can see the price automatically changes to 2210. So we go and try this out, okay? So VIDT, let's put 223 and let's see. Oh, yeah, well, we're just testing it out anyway. 225, and let's see. 89 cents. Ah, can I get it at 227? Let's see what we get. Okay, $1.34. Okay, 227 looks like risky, so let's put 226. Let's put 226. Okay, let's see whether if we put 226 it's gonna work. Okay, not that much. $2, 2% more. Let's move. This one looks like it's gonna go. Let's move. Let's put 226. 226, and then now pick up everything. $1 is fine. Okay, that's 2%. That's our target. Okay, so now let's put that in the queue. So it's currently in the queue. VIDT is currently in the queue. All right, let's check the charts one more time. Looks like it's gonna go. It looks like it's gonna go, right? So we wait for it. Okay, we wait for it. All right. I hope it's going up. Well, it's having a little pullback, but it will soon go up. Okay, so VIDT, you're currently on ground. We're moving up by the grace of God. Okay, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we'll check back on VIDT. So that is it. That is it. We're currently on VIDT, as you can see here, and this trade happened like about almost 2 hours after we picked the trade. So I mean, it executed almost 2 hours after we picked the trade, and this is it. Let me just go to, because this happened some couple of hours ago, so let me just open up to the trade history so that we can see it and look at the different points and metrics. Okay, so this is VIDT. So VIDT, we actually bought it as, that was 221. Yes, yeah, that's how much you put. Let me go and check so that I will show you and be sure and be very, very sure. Look at it here. So we bought it here 221. That's how the price we bought it as. And in terms of its executing, we were able to execute it as at the amount of 0.0226, and that gave us, a profit of $1.05. Look at that. That's beautiful. $1.05. That's 50. I mean, that's 51.053. That's glorious. Now removing the fees, that's just like about 105 means minus 5 cents. That means we made $1, which is beautiful. That's 2%. Our 2% target was met and crushed, and we executed beautifully. That's VIDT USDT. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So before we go ahead, before I ship out the profit, let's look at it here again. Now look at what happened in the charts. Let's open the charts so that we can look at the charts very well. So the area we're looking at is here, somewhere in this range, because somewhere here.
Let me put on, yeah, this is it. On to be the red candle, because immediately after it got executed, it started coming down. And now look at it now, it's already going all the way down. It's already trending. That's beautiful. I mean, it was just at the verge of hitting it and then reversing. That is what we call the parabolic stop and reverse. PSAR, parabolic stop and reverse. It was just about getting to that point, and we were able to, get it executed almost immediately. That's beautiful. So it's still trying to find its feet. It's going in a sideways movement. If you look at this, in the sideways movement. At this point, it's trying to find its feet, struggling. It has some turbulence, and it's trying to stabilize, and somewhere in it. So it's trying to make a decision whether it's supposed to go up or not. But anyways, that's a story for another day. We are currently out of the trade. Beautiful. So VIDT, yeah, good one, good one. Yeah, so we made $1.05 minus the fees. We actually made $1, which is 2%. Okay, that's great. So we're going to ship out our profit right about now. PNG. Okay, maybe I'll look at this PNG. It looks like it's still in pump mode. And let's check RSI. RSI looks like it's still going up. Okay, let's check it out. Let's try this one out. I hope we won't waste too much time here. But it looks like it's still in pump mode. You can see that's still going up. Well, it had a little pullback, but let's hope that this will be good. All right, so let's put in the amount and see. Let's do a quick simulation. Let's see. Let's calculate that. Let's copy that, cut it out, and let's see, where did it get to the most? It moved to what? 2798. Is that where it went to? So let's do 27 and see. All right, 2798. Let's put 27 there. Let's see whether I will get there. And then, like, $53. Oh, that's interesting. Let's put 26. Let's put 26. Let's put, oh, come on. Let's put 26. Let's see whether that will work for us. And then we'll go with it. Okay. 51.14. That's not bad. So let's go. Let's buy this. It's like it's going up. It is going up. Yeah. Let's buy this out. Let's put up the whole $50. Let's go ahead and buy. Let's see whether we can get it bought. Perfect. Yeah, I hope we were able to buy it. Did we buy it? Did we? Oh, yeah, we did. So it's time for us to set our sell limit. Okay. So our sell limit, we have said we're setting it to 26. Okay. And then we'll pick up everything. Let's see. Put that in there. And we set our sell limit. Perfect. So we're currently in the queue. All right. Let's see how this goes. Let's check the charts again. The chart is looking good. It's going up. Yeah, pushing up. All we just have to do is to get to this point. We just need to get, what am I saying? Because we don't need to get that far. We just need to get to this point. Yeah, and then we're good. So that's not a far distance. Come on, push it up. You can do it. Yeah, go ahead, PNG. You can do it. Yeah, tell me that in the comments that PNG can do it. Just say PNG, you can do it. All right, PNG. Have we cashed out? Let me see. How much did we buy it as? It's supposed to be 26, right? How much did we buy it? I think we bought it as 2542. Let's see what it is now. 257. Let's see if there's any money to be made. Let's see if there's any money to be made. Let's see. Let's sell. Let's see. Oh, there's money to be made. Let's go ahead and sell. Oh, we're currently in the queue. Let me cancel that. If I choose a smaller amount, whether I could still make some money. Let's see. 25. No. I don't think so. It's not giving me that money back. So let me see. 55 cents. Well, I don't mind. Do you think this will go up?
It looks like it would. 257 already. But I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it's not giving it. Let's just go for it. It's over 1%. Let's see if we can do that. And let's come back and see whether it would actually execute. 55, that's 55 cents. It's like about one point something percent. 1 point what? What's 55? That's 1.2 also. Let me be sure. I don't even know what it is. At times mathematics fails me. So let me just check 1 point last time times what? 1.1. Yeah, 1.1%. Well, that's not bad. Let's wait and see. I mean, it's better to be safe than sorry. If it goes up, if it just pushes up by one, yeah, we'll get it sold. All right.
Wahoo! PNG has already executed. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at it. 55 cents. Yeah. Let's see. It could have actually have made us more, I think. But let's see whether it really did go to the 2.7. I'm not sure it went to 2.7. I think it definitely went to 2.6. Yes, it ran to 2.6, which was good, right? Because we wanted to go to 2.7, but we just chose something cheaper, something that was easier for it to run to, and it got executed. Let me see, how much did it get executed as? I think it executed at what amount? Let me check. It sold at 257. Oh, it actually went to 256. But it told us we just made it go to 257 so that we can quickly get out of it, right? But it actually went to 256. So our predictions were actually correct that we could actually have gone to 256. Let me check that one more time. At least it went all the way to 256. Okay, that's fine. At least we are sure of this. Maybe do we want to try this out one more time? Do we want to do this one more time? Let me check this out. It looks like it's in pump mode. Yeah, I think I'll try this out one more time. Let's go. There's no harm in it. Let's go with. So we have 555. I'm going to ship out the. I'm only going to put $50 in there. Let's put $50 now. Let's put $50 in there. I'm just going to quickly. Let me not. I was going to ship out. Let me just put $50 in there. Right? No, before I do this, ship out everything before you put anything in it. All right? Ship it out. It's just so that we are sure. Let's put it in fiat. Let's put all. Let's just ship out that profit so that we are sure that we are working with what we need to work with. Okay? Good. Okay, shipped out. Shipped out. Okay? Let's go on. So let's get back into our $50. So we'll do that again, right? It's looking like it's going, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Let's go ahead and buy. It will go. Yeah, I think we have bought it. I think we have bought it. Let's take it to 227. Whether it's gonna go. It looks like it's gonna go. It looks like it's going to go. Right? So if it's gonna go, let's put it there. Let's put that at 27. Let's see whether it's actually going to work. Okay, let's go. Let's try it out. 2%. Here we come. All right, so we're currently in the queue. Let's see whether it's going to go or it's not going to go. So how much did we buy this one at? Oh, it went down. It went down. Anyways, that's it. We went into it because we believe it was going to go. Anyway, how much did we buy it as? We bought it as PNG. Let me check how much we bought it. 2635. Is that how much we bought this other one? 2648. Okay. 2648, 2635. Let's see how it goes, right? Well, it's going up. I think it's going back up. It's just flipping and flopping. It will go up, right? So we put it as 27. I think that's how much we put it as 27, and we'll wait and see. Or do we want to just go and adjust it a bit? Maybe we should. The other time we lost out on some amount of money because we put it at a very conservative amount, but I think it should push up. It should push up. It went to 27. Let me see where it went to. It actually went to 2678. 2678. Okay, let me check what that is. If I put 2678, I just cancel it out, and let's just see what that would be. If we put 2678, let me put 2678 and see what that's going to give us. 2678, and let's see, 57 cents. Okay, that's another 1%. All right, do I want to try that out? Do I want to try this out? I'm not sure. I think I want to go with my 27 because it looks like this is going to run. Okay, but remember, if you're not watching, let me see. Is it going up? 2612. Let's wait and see a bit to see what it will do. Whether another one will just make it run up. I don't know. Let's wait and see if this is gonna go. But meanwhile, I think I'm just gonna put in. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm trying to see what is his next move. Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go up? If it's gonna go up, then I will just go with it, with a higher one. 26. Okay, let me just stay on the safe side. Let me stay on the safe side, and then I'm just going to put 2696. Let's see, just to be on the safe side. Okay, not bad. If I come back and I see that it is going up slightly and it's not sure, I'll come back and change it. All right, let's hope this will quickly execute, and we'll be back to check the results. Whoop, whoop. Can you see that? PNG has executed a second time. Awesome. Awesome. And what do we have here? We've got 99 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is practically almost $1. That's interesting. That is interesting. Can you just see that? We made almost $1, which was almost 2% on PNG, PNG1, PNG2. Now remember that in PNG1, we got 55 cents. We were just trying to be conservative and just get out of the trade. And now we did the second one, and of course, this is awesome. This is beautiful, right? We were able to get almost 2% on this trade. That's like 1.98%. Beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so excited. Come on, give me a hand clap, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Thank you so much once again for watching. I hope you've learned something. So PNG did us good, right? And we're able to come out, do this trade twice, and it worked 2 times. I'm thinking of should I do a third time? I'm not sure I want to do that. No, it's already experiencing its pullback. So we're good. We're quickly out of it, and we're able to make some good money. So together, we made 99 cents second round and 55 cents. That's like about $1.54, right? $1.50. Is it $1.54? Yeah, that's it. Wow. 55 plus 99 is $1.54. Beautiful. That's